welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel. I do fashion, art, and boba videos here on YouTube, and today we somehow have a part 2 of my boba collection. As y'all saw from part 1, I already have so many plushies, clothes, bags, night lights, AirPod cases, whatnot of boba, and somehow I've added more stuff to my collection. So thank you to my friends. These are mostly like Christmas gifts that I'll be sharing with y'all. Hopefully it gives you some gift ideas for boba lovers in your life. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first items that I want to show you are just boba masks. So this was a gift that I got from my friend Stephanie. Her cousin actually hand makes masks, and I thought this print was just so cute. She gave it to me as a present for graduating from UCLA, and I love this so much. Look at how many cute bobas there are. This next boba mask that I have is from SMOKO, and it's their Boba Mask 2.0. So it's like the improved version, and super interesting. This mask actually like has a lot to it. So first let's talk about the print. We have our classic Pearl Boba mascot, so cute. You see him smiling, you see him winking, and you see little tapioca pearls. So it has like an adjustable wire at the nose bridge area. It also has this additional kind of fabric designed for your chin. Both of the straps have an adjustable kind of like plastic piece so that you can help it fit your face. And here's what it looks like on. By the way, I just have like the world's smallest nose, so usually the nose issue isn't much of a problem for me. I think it's like the perfect size if you also have a really small nose, but I still feel like if you have a larger nose it may be hard to fit in here because my nose goes up to like here. If you have a slightly bigger nose you might be able to fit. Your face is any longer than mine, it may not cover as much of your nose as you'd want it to. But for me, if you have a small face, or if you're a child, it fits perfect. And it also has a little insert area where you can place a reusable kind of like insert. But yeah, that is the SMOKO Pearl Tea Mask. These next items are within the reusable cups category. So my sister actually gifted this to me for Christmas, so thank you so much. It is a happy boba tumbler with little boba pearls. I love that it's a clear cup. It's by the brand Maybe Daily. Just a twist open, and it has a little nice silicone bit at the lid to keep it nice and tight, as well as a little silicone closure so that you can cover your drink if you don't have a straw. Really love that. It looks to be about 24 ounces, and haven't used it yet, but I'm really excited to use it. It is BPA free, and you should not microwave it, and you should only hand wash it. So those are the little care instructions. But yeah, it's a nice thick plastic with a really happy boba on it. And in addition to the cup, she also gave me a set of Maybe Daily reusable straws. It comes in a nice hemp feeling fabric case. It comes with a metal straw, a clear straw, and an awesome little straw cleaner. I don't have any big boba straws yet, so I'm so excited to play with these and use these. Again, it has that cute little Maybe Daily branding on it. And it's a nice copper without a point. You just may have to like take a little knife or like a little toothpick so you could insert this into a plastic boba cup. This is the plastic straw that is slightly translucent, but more or less a white kind of opaque plastic. Perfect size for boba balls. It also has a nice stabby point so it can go into your plastic covered or plastic sealed boba cups. So really enjoy that. And then, oh my god, my Secret Santa, I accidentally opened the present because my mom was like, you got a package, and there wasn't like any kind of labeling on it, and I totally didn't realize it was from a Secret Santa, so I already opened it. But anyway, it's this really cute, called Shop Zoki pack of reusable glass straws. This bag is so cute, similar to the other one, the Made Daily one. It has like a little kind of eco-friendly fabric bag, and when you open it up, it has these 2 reusable straws. So this first one, this packaging is just like, I'm dying. So it's a glass boba straw, bunnies. That's so cute, right? Oh my god. I love clear straws as well because they're way easier to clean. So it's recyclable packaging. It is made of borosilicate glass, BPA free, and includes a cleaning brush, and it is meant to be hand washed. There we go. So it's just the top part that has this design. It also has a little pointy tip, and let's see how this looks in my maybe daily mug. So 24-ounce mug with a straw. Oh, it's so cute. Yeah, that looks really cute together too. See a little flower peeking out, and if you have a shorter cup, then you'll see the bunny and the carrot too. This one is the same thing except with a little sun, rainbow, and a cloud. That's so cute. Oh my god, thank you so much. I love these so much. Now moving on to the last bits, we have a few more SMOKO additions to my collection. The first being this really cute Pearl Boba bag. This was on super sale for $7, and I thought it was so cute. I love the little plush character, and I love that it has a little clear pouch in the back. So it has, you know, one pouch and then another kind of section for if you don't mind people seeing your stuff. Nice little zipper. So SMOKO. And it has this little bungee kind of strap. So I really want to compare like this one and the size of it to my heated plushie, which I showed in the first haul. So this is the heated SMOKO plush. It literally says do not heat the plush, only heat the microwavable insert. Take out this little insert that smells like lavender, throw it in a microwave, and you get a warm heated plush. And so the size of this compared to the size of this is like a lot pinker too, the color of this little boba. But yeah, they both have that little flat shape, which is so cute. And then I wanted to compare them to the size of the marshmallow plush. Oh my god. So this is the size difference, all 3 of them together, like a little family. This plush is also squishy, but it's flat versus the marshmallow plush is a very round shape. The feel of this one is so soft, but this is even softer, if you can believe it. This definitely has that squishmallow feel. So if you've ever felt a squishmallow, that is exactly what this feels like. I love this one. It's so cute. This is definitely more pillowy and fun. I think this would be so cute for like kids too if they wanted like a big plush, versus this one is for like stressed students who live alone in their dorms and probably feel like they need a hug, and this is the only warm object that they can hold on to. So it's like a different vibe for each one. But I feel like when I ever have a kid in like plus or minus 10 years, I'm probably going to let that baby go off on this plush because it's so cute, it's so soft. Yeah, I really love it. And again, all SMOKO items are designed in California and then manufactured in China. And of course, during quarantine, I've been doing some light reading, and something that I decided to pick up is this boba book. How cool is this? So it's basically a recipe book. I haven't tried it yet. Okay, I'm a really bad cook. I'm kind of scared, but I'm gonna try this soon. This is for boba tea in your home, and it's made by the founders of Milk Plus Tea, which is a really great boba shop in Los Angeles, California. It's written by Stacy Kwong and Bea Del Mundo. So lucky, like before the pandemic, I was able to go to this event hosted by ACN, or the Asian Creative Network, where they invited guest speakers who were like boba entrepreneurs to speak about their own experiences. And Stacy and Bea were there, so it was so cool hearing their story IRL. Oh my god, how great are they? Yeah, they're sick. Because I know for like a lot of like Asian Americans growing up in like my generation, like millennials, you know, we're kids of immigrants, and a lot of times like our food gets made fun of, or it's hard to find, at least back in the day, it was harder to find foods like related to our cultures. So this kind of like way of validating our cultures through food and sharing cultures through food, I think is so beautiful. So we'll definitely have to try these out. These look so fun. Okay, I need to like get over my fear of cooking and make some boba. So that is the boba book. And here I'm just showing you a boba bag that I recently got. I pre-ordered it so long ago, and my sister actually got this for me as an early Christmas present. It finally came in January, and I'm obsessed with this boba bag. It looks like a boba, and it goes perfectly with this skirt that I just got on sale from Reformation. Ooh, she is serving up some terrific looks, am I right? And what's so cute about this bag is that it's made out of vegan leather, and the little zippers look like boba, and its inside is fully lined. This is it's just a staple for any boba lover's wardrobe because she looks fashion and she looks boba. And last but not least, I definitely recommend, especially since we are still in the pandemic here in the US, that if you live by a local boba place and really want to make sure that they stay open throughout the pandemic, or if the boba place is closed and the only way you can support them is through like online merch, I definitely recommend, you know, making that little investment, buying a hoodie, and helping support a local family business. For example, I went to TeaLyfe recently and I picked out one of their really cute, super soft hoodies. I am obsessed. I love the little bear logo. I think it's so cute. It has TeaLyfe on the side, and I got this in the size medium, so definitely check out. I think they just sell these in store. I just wanted like a nice oversized fit. This is so soft. It's a pretty lightweight hoodie, but that's still super warm. Has a nice super soft fabric inside and a nice kind of like ribbed cotton material. So love this. A local shop that I'd always go to when I was in San Francisco called Boba Butt is also selling a lot of merch, and the Boba Butt logo is ridiculously cute, so definitely check them out as well. And yeah, wherever you are, you know, support these local businesses because, you know, they can't survive without their customers and without that love. So that is all I wanted to share for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment saying what your favorite boba piece from my entire collection is, or if you have any of these boba pieces, let me know how they worked out for you. I hope you're having a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!